At number 1, we have the Schlage Encode Plus Smart Lock. It's excellent for remote home monitoring thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for a separate hub. You can control and check your door from anywhere via the app, use the keypad for quick access, or rely on responsive voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. It provides real-time notifications for lock-unlock activity, enhancing security for travelers or busy families. Testing showed remarkably quick installation, under 20 minutes, with easy-to-follow instructions. The ability to receive status updates even overseas was a major highlight, offering convenience and reassurance. It's a reliable, feature-packed smart deadbolt for front doors.
At number 2, we have the Yale Assure Lock 2. The Yale Assure Lock 2 is family-friendly with intuitive features like a hidden, easy-to-use touchscreen keypad that lights up for code entry. It includes DoorSense technology and auto-lock to secure the door if left open, plus customizable, trackable codes for guests that work only during scheduled times. This makes it perfect for households with kids or frequent visitors. The keypad is responsive and simple. Children can learn it quickly. Installation and setup are straightforward, and its reliability shines in daily use with busy families. It balances security, convenience, and ease for everyday living. The Yale Assure Lock 2. Welcome home.
At number 3, we have the Lockly Visage Zeno Smart Lock. Imagine coming home with your hands full. Its industry-first facial recognition unlocks the door for you in just 1 second, even in the dark or if you're wearing sunglasses. But that's not all. It also offers ultra-fast fingerprint access, a hack-proof keypad, voice commands, and a physical key for ultimate flexibility. Seamlessly integrated with your Apple ecosystem, unlock your door with your iPhone, Apple Watch, or even Siri. Note, facial recognition may have limitations for children under 13. And the best part? It fits more doors than most smart locks and has an incredibly easy installation process. Upgrade your home security with the style and convenience you deserve. This is the Lockly Visage Zeno.
At number 4, we have the TCL D1 Pro Palm Vein Smart Lock. Unlock your door with just a wave of your hand. Its futuristic palm vein recognition offers effortless, contactless entry. It can store up to 50 palm scans locally with no Wi-Fi needed for basic use. And for total versatility, it also supports codes, the app, key fobs, and physical keys. Installation is a breeze, taking just 20-25 minutes and fitting perfectly into your existing door holes. It's the unique biometric alternative for modern households, providing exceptional security that works reliably for everyone, regardless of age or hand conditions.
At number 5, we have the Level Lock Pro. It stands out by blending advanced technology with a classic design. Unlike bulky alternatives, it looks like a traditional deadbolt, but hidden inside is cutting-edge tech. Unlock with a key, your smartwatch, phone, voice commands, or remotely via the app. It sends activity notifications and even auto-locks for you, providing unbeatable security and convenience. Installation is quick and straightforward, taking about 30 minutes with just a screwdriver and tape measure. Aesthetically pleasing and reliably smart, it's the ideal choice for stylish homes, delivering peace of mind.